Hello, this is a quick tutorial to remind you how to reply in my post and therefore post your assignment. Okay, so what you're going to do is click on my discussion, then click on reply. Then paste here your URL or the link you created with your tutorial. Click on submit. I didn't click anything because it pauses or does something with the recorder. Okay, that's why I didn't do it. So my reply will be empty. Let me try. Okay, there it is. But you need to write something, otherwise it won't let you continue. Okay, you see? This is what I did. And now it is posted on my reply. Okay? And that's all. Hope it's helpful. See you in class.